Welcome to part 3 of setting up your MinMod stream package. At this point, we have been through setting up your scenes, the countdown timer, chat boxes, and labels. And now we are getting into alerts. All right, here we are back at the Stream Elements My Overlays tab. We're clicking New Overlay, 1080p base resolution. And we're gonna start by hitting the plus, coming up to alerts, and adding an alert box. You would think it's easy enough to set it up all with one, and depending on the style you're going for, yes, you need one, but we're actually gonna need 2 alert boxes. So we're gonna set this one up first. So we're gonna come in to position, size, and style first, because by default, the box does not fit the full canvas. So we're going 1920 by 1080. By now, you're pretty familiar with that. You're going to center widget for good luck, and back over to settings, follower alert. You're gonna see that we have the video by default and the sound. We are going to, instead of a video, set an image, but it's not just gonna be stagnant. We can do animation right in Stream Elements. So we're gonna go into the alert banners. And I've provided a variety of color combinations here in case you wanted to switch it up, but to keep things simple for the tutorial, I'm going to be sticking with one color. So I'm going for the red, uploading and submitting. Let's do a follower event. We have the label coming up, but the name is down here. It's separate, and that's not how we want it to look. We want it centered, and we're gonna change that right now. So the main aspect here under layout, it's currently set to over top of image, but we're gonna set to text over image instead of sitting on top. Column is what they call it. There's also row. We're not using that right now. We're using text over image. But if we use text over image, for whatever reason, this is what happens. Now you notice that something's missing. The text over the image doesn't show up. That's kind of inconvenient, and that's the reason for the second box. So here, first alert box, we are setting everything up with the proper scale at the proper resolution. If we click a different layout button, we're not going to get our label centered to the screen, and that's what we want. But then by selecting text over image, it takes up the full canvas, but then the text doesn't show up. Now that's something that Stream Elements needs to fix, and if they do, I will be linking to a new video here to update that. But otherwise, we need a second alert box. So now it's set to name is now following. We don't need that at all because it won't show up here. Alert duration, we're gonna set this to 8 seconds. Keep that in mind, 8 seconds. We're gonna be using that a lot. This is something I have learned through trial and error. When you see the variation settings, check that for every single alert. Some of them don't have it and it's fine. Other ones do, and it will mess everything up if you don't set it up properly. So we're in followers variation settings. There's no variations, but I am also going to turn off pick an alert randomly when more than one matches. We don't have any issue there, but we don't want any variation. We want our banner set up the way we want, and that is that. Text to speech for reading a message, that is up to you if you want to get that set. And for the text, we don't need to touch that because again, the text does not show up. So last but not least, we have animation settings. And here we're going to do the enter animation and exit animation right underneath animation. We are not doing text animation. What we're gonna do here is I'm just gonna set it to fade in, have a nice simple look, and we're gonna set the duration time to 1 second in and 1 second out. So now if we do a follower event, it fades in, it'll wait a moment, and now it fades out. So you can add some animation here even with static graphics. So feel free to play around with the animations. I have it set to 1 second. So the 1 second duration is important, and the 8 second alert duration is important. So now we have that set up. We get to do that for subscriber, tip, cheer, host, and raid. But I'm not going to do that here because it's all the same thing. But we are going to check variation settings for all of them. Ta-da! With subscribers, it's set by default. You can have different animations for somebody who's resubscribing to your channel. So there's the base subscription for somebody new, somebody resubscribing, a gifted sub, and community gifts if they gift to the community without it being directed at a certain person. So you have multiple options here, but we just want our standard banner. So we're turning off all of these variations and pick an alert randomly just to be safe. And then the rest is pretty plug and play. Like, we don't need text variation. Text to speech is up to you, no text settings. And then animation settings, you're gonna come in, set fade in, fade out, and set that all to 1 second in, 1 second out. And just like that, subscriber is set up. So follower, subscriber, tip, cheer, host, raid, they all do the same thing, but subscriber has variations. Tip, if we take a look in variations, no new variations here. But then if we look at cheer, variation, there's plenty of them. So stay aware of the variations. I promise you, fixing that now will save you a lot of headache down the road. All right, now we're gonna set up the second alert box, which is going to be text focused. So we're gonna go plus, alerts, alert box, and ta-da, it looks like the same thing. I'm turning off purchase alerts, and we're gonna set the size of this in position, size, and style to 1920 by 1080, center for good luck. And back to settings, we're gonna set things up a little bit differently this time. Now we don't need an image or a video, so we can just hit the X over the current video, and that gets rid of it. And we are gonna clear the sound because we already have the sound playing in the first alert box, so we don't need it going again. Or maybe it gets delayed and it's weird and you hear this echo chamber and you're like, oh my god, what's happening? That won't actually happen, but yeah, just get rid of it. You don't need it. And then here, if we choose text over image, you're gonna see, but it still doesn't work. So text over image, even if there is no image or video, the text just will not show up. So we are switching over to row. Now if we emulate this, there's the text. That's what we want to see, but it's not quite set up exactly the way we want. So that's what we're going to work on next. So here we have the alert message. Name is now following. That'll just put in whoever followed and you're good to go. You can change the text around it to say whatever you want. Up to you. I'm going to leave it as is. Alert duration, we need to match with the first alert box. So we are switching that to 8 seconds. For me, I feel like 10 seconds is a little bit too long, so I bring it down to 8. Variation settings with followers, we don't have that, but I'm still going to turn off the pick alert randomly if it matches because I don't want any chances. Text to speech, not doing that. And then text settings. Now we have to worry about this. So we're going to come up here and we're going for good old Oswald. And we are centered, which is good. We are bold, which I like. We are going to go uppercase, turn off text shadow. We don't need that. And then the highlight is this periwinkle blue. I personally like to change this to a yellow with the red background. Now you can change this to whatever color you want along with the base text, but if we come and emulate here, you'll see that the yellow shows up nicely on the red, and I like the way that looks. I don't want to mess with it. And then you can change the animation here, pulse, rubber band, ta-da. You got plenty of options going on here. If we switch it to wave, ta-da, nice and easy, pretty simple, but we're not done yet. We're gonna come down to animation settings, and we don't need to do the regular enter animation and exit animation. We need the text animation settings. So we are editing this specifically, and by default, it's already set to 1 and 1 for in and out. So that way it comes in with the entrance animation and out with the exit. And I'm just gonna switch this to fade, but as before, set it to whatever you want. If you want to play around, fade in, fade out, but I don't want it to appear at the exact same time as the background. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to delay this by 0.5 seconds. So its appearance and disappearance are now offset by 0.5 seconds, half a second, and this is what it looks like. So you see it fades in after the background fades in, and then it fades out just before the background fades out. and I like that smoothness. You can take that off and have it all happen at the same time. That much is up to you. But now you can see if we come into position, size, and style, widget is centered, but the text is hanging out up top. So if we just click and drag it, we can get it pretty well centered. The sides will say snapped pretty well, so you don't have to worry about keeping it directly center. So if we emulate again, that's looking pretty good, but we can get it down like a little bit further, and I like where we're at with that. And now that we've moved the whole box, we're moving all of the text, so we don't have to worry about doing that for every single layer for follower, subscriber, cheer, blah, blah, blah. Nope. The whole box is set for all the variations within it, and we are good to go there. But just remember, like if we go into subscribers, we are getting rid of the video and the sound. We're setting it to row, and then you have your name set for you have the text set for the alert message, alert duration down to 8. Check the variation settings. Ta-da! You got variations, and I'm turning all of them off. And then text settings, we got to do all the same stuff again. Oswald, bold, uppercase. Oh no, it didn't select. There we go. We're switching over to a yellow. If you copy the RGB right next to it, you can get the same color going for all of it. And now let's emulate a subscriber. Chicken just subscribed. Cool, that's looking good. All we have to do is come down to animation settings, change the enter and exit, fade in, fade out, and do the delay by 0.5, and let's emulate that. So it fades in, it's already centered, and then it fades out. That's looking pretty good. I know it's a bit tedious and repetitive to set this up, but once you get through all of it, then you're good to go. You're only doing it once. If you want to make any major changes, then that's up to you, but this is looking pretty good here. So we have our alerts set up. Like I said, it's basically the same. So you're just changing all the text and changing the variations if there are any. So we set up follower and subscriber, but like I said, it's going to be the same for tip, cheer, host, and raid. You just need to make sure you go into the variations and shut those off. Otherwise, you will see some other animations that aren't set the way you want. But aside from that, those are the alerts set up.